What's this?
This what you see here is hydrofoam.
Okay. Why would I care about hydrofoam, and where would I put it in my house?
This is used for in-slab heating, so hydronic heating. It's a very energy efficient and growing way of heating your house.
Okay.
So
why would I want to heat my house with this stuff? What is this? What is this?
Well, what this is tubing,
Okay.
hydronic piping. So how this works is you're going to run a liquid through here.
Water?
Water, glycol.
Okay.
There's different materials that you can run through, and you heat that water, and what it does is it will heat a concrete floor on top of that.
Okay, so once you set this in, I hear this is easy to put in.
So it's what you're aiming for here with the hydrofoam is you're cutting down on your labor time with staples.
Normally you'd put this in with staples if you didn't have the foam.
Yeah, by code when you do a hydronic heating, in-floor heating, you have to put insulation below it.
Okay.
Or else you're just wasting the heat. It's going to go down into the dirt instead of up into your building.
Right. So you got the foam here, and
So
the pucks make
the pucks hold that pipe, like you can see it just pressed in there.
Yeah.
Whereas traditional methods, you would have to have staples that you press in by hand into your sheet foam.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, so now we got the pucks. This is an easy way to lay it out. Then you just pour concrete over this?
Yeah, you're going to pour your floor 3-4 inches, whatever your specification says.
3-4, like above, like
Above
typically,
your puck?
what do you do? 3-4 inches above the pucks?
Yep. That gives you enough strength in your floor, and then these tubes are going to warm up, and that's going to radiate out into that floor. Now when I'm walking on the floor, I'm in contact with a warm surface, which is much more comfortable than just heating air.
Yeah, I've heard that when you have an in-floor heating system, then in fact you can actually keep the temperature of the rest of the room relatively low, and it still has the comfort level of a very warm room because you're getting heat from the bottom up.
Well, and what does everyone say about heat? Heat rises. Right? So if I'm going to heat from the bottom and let it naturally rise, you're going to require less energy, less systems to get that air through your house.
So there's a lot of unevenness in temperature across a room where you're blowing it from different places, whereas here the temperature is radiating from the entire floor surface. So that would be a very even distribution.
Very even heat, and then you can also easily create zones. So if you like to have your living room warmer than your bedroom, when you build in a radiant heating system, you can change the temperature in your bedroom quite easily, and it will run like a lower temperature liquid through there.
Now I understand this kind of installation is a little more expensive. Presumably you'd be able to control your heating costs a little more with in-floor heating?
Yes. Yeah, that's one thing you're really seeing is why people are going this route. Is it's much more comfortable when, like you said earlier, if you're in contact with it. So it's going to hold that temperature compared to air, which you open the door, all your heat goes out.
Right.
In here, that heat is always there.
Yeah. Well, how much technical knowledge do you need to be able to run this kind of heat inside a home if you're a contractor? I mean, are there special training you need to take?
Yeah, this would still be something done by your HVAC installer.
Right.
Going to a product like this is you're going to cut down on labor, and that's the biggest cost on any.
Oh yeah, you're talking about the insulation, like with the pucks, it makes the installation a lot simpler.
Yes.
So that's the reason why you sell this product.
That's the reason for the pucks.
By NUDURA. NUDURA.